Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture series on solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. Okay, now I will explain bisection method problems. Here, this is transcendental equation. 2x minus log x is equal to 7. This is transcendental equation. Here, find a real root of the equation 2x minus log x equal to 7 by using bisection method. Okay. Now solution. Given 2x minus log x minus 7 equal to 0. Let f of x equal to 2x minus log x minus 7. Okay. Take calci all of you. First you have to fix decimals. Here observe mod 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then fix equation, fix 1. 0 to 9 decimals. How many decimals you require? 4 decimals. Enough. Now press it 4. Then 0.40. Right. Now type that equation, all transcendental equation 2 alpha x, okay, right, minus here log x. Already I have told log x or log x to the base e. In calci direct press it ln. Okay, in calci direct press it ln. 1, 2, 3, third row, last one. Okay, right. Next alpha x, alpha x. Okay, right. Next minus 7. Okay, 2x minus log x minus 7. Okay, right. Now calci. Okay, here put substitute positive values or negative values, search it opposite sides. Okay, here 0 did not take. Why? Because log 0 undefined. So we have to take 1, 2, 3 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, right. First x equal to 1. Then f of 1 minus 5 less than 0. F of 2, next one. See f of 2. Then minus 3.6931. This is also less than 0. Next f of 3. Next see f of 3. Then minus 2.0986. This is also less than 0. Okay. Next f of 4. Put x equal to 4. Then see 4. Right. Here minus 0.3863. This is also less than 0. F of 1 less than 0, f of 2 less than 0, f of 3 less than 0, f of 4 less than 0. Here same signs. Okay, continue this process. We get opposite sides. Okay, right. X equal to 5. Put x equal to 5. Then see x equal to 5. Then 1.3906. This is greater than 0. So here f of 4 less than 0 and f of 5 greater than 0. Therefore, by intermediate value theorem, a root lies between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Right? By bisection method, x we take a 4 and b 5. Then x equal to a plus b by 2. That equal to 4 plus 5 by 2. That equal to 4.5. This is x. X value 4.5. Okay. Right here, the root lies between 1 and 5. Or a root lies between 2 and 5. A root lies between 3 and 5. 4 and 5. All are correct. But 5 is near to 4. Okay, so this is very near. This value is minus 0.3863. This value is 1.3906. Okay, so that's why a root lies between 4 and 5. Okay, right. We have to take a root lies between 4 and 5. Right. Now, tabular form: a value 4, b value 5, x value 4.5. So now we draw the tabular form. Right. Now, number of approximations, number of approximations, right? A means negative. Substitute a values in the function, we get negative values. Substitute b values in the given function, we get positive values. So that means positive, that means negative. Okay, you observe. X equal to a plus b by 2. F of x equal to 2x minus log x minus 7. Now sign means negative or positive, right? Right. Now first approximation, a value 4, b value 5, x equal to 4.5. Now type the formula in the calc, that equation 2x minus log x minus 7. Now AC it is saved. Now formula alpha x, alpha is equal to left side bracket open, alpha a plus alpha b, close it, divided by 2. Now calc a value 4 is equal to b value 5 is equal to 4.5. Now substitute x value in that function, then is equal to 0.4959. This is positive value. So substitute x value in b, 4.5. This is 4. This is second approximation. Okay. Now here go back to get formula bisection method calc. A value 4 is equal to b value 4.5, that equal to 4.25. Substitute x value in the given function, then 0.0531. This is positive value. This is positive value. Substitute x in b, 4.25. This is 4. This is third approximation. Now we get formula bisection method calc. X a value 4, b value 4.25, then 4.125. Substitute x in f of x, then minus 0.1671. This is negative. So substitute x value in the negative, 4.125, 4. B value same. Okay. Now by using bisection of the formula, calc a value 4.125, b value 4.25, then 4.1875. Substitute x in f of x, then minus 0.0571. This is negative. Now substitute x value in a, 4.1875. This is 4.25. B value same, with the approximation. Now calc a value 4.1875, b value 4.25, 4.2188. That is equal to, substitute x value, then minus 0.002. This is negative sign. Now substitute x value in a, 4.2188, 4.25. B value same, 4.25. Okay, right. Now calci 4.2188, A value, B value 4.25. Then 4.2344. Substitute x value in f of x. Then 0.0256. This is positive value. Okay. Now substitute x value in B. 4.2344. This is 4.2187. Okay. Now calci. Okay, calci A value 4.2188, B value 4.2344, 4.2266. Substitute x in f of x, then 0.0118. This is positive value. Now substitute x in B. 4.2266, 4.2188, eighth approximation. Now calci A value 4.2188, B value 4.2266. So that is equal to 4.227. Okay. Now f of x 0.0049. This is positive. Okay. Now substitute x value in B. 4.2227, 4.2188, A value same. Right. Calci A value 4.2188, B value 4.227. That is equal to 4.2208. Substitute in x f of x 0.0015. This is positive. Okay. Now this is positive value 4.2208, 4.2188. This is 10th approximation. Now formula calci 4.2188, B value 4.2208. So that is equal to 4.2198. Okay. Now calci, by using calci f of x is minus 0.0002. This is negative value. Okay. So substitute x value in A. 4.2198. This is 4.2208. This is 11th approximation. Calci 4.2198, B value 4.2208. Now that is equal to 4.2203. Okay. Right. Next 0.0007. This is positive. Okay. So positive x value substitute in B. 4.2203. This is 12th approximation. 4.2198. Okay. Calci A value 4.2198, B value 4.2203, 4.2201. Okay. Right. Now 0.003. This is positive. Okay. Observe here. Third 11 and 12th approximation 4.220, 4.220. Here observe f of x is near to 0, 0.303. Okay. Right. Now next approximation is so next approximation 13th approximation. So here positive f of x positive value. So substitute x in B. 4.2201, a value 4.2198. Okay, that is equal to Cal C, a value 4.2198, b value 4.2201, then 4.2200, then substitute in f of x, then 0.0001, this is positive. Okay, next 14th approximation, substitute x value will be 4.2200, this is 4.2198. Okay, right. Now go back, get formula Cal C, a value 4.2198, b value 4.2200. Okay, right. 4.2199, substitute x in f of x, then 0.000. Okay, so finally here observe 4.2199, substitute in f of x, then we get 0. So hence here this is final root. Okay, so hence the root is, so finally hence root is 4.2199. Okay, why? Because here substitute x 4.2199 in f of x, we get 0. So hence the root is 4.2199. Okay, right. Thank you.